Welcome to Slamming Gears with David. Today's video will be a product review. Look for the Amazon affiliate link below in the description to view this product or others. Today, my assistant will be installing the Crimson Trace LG 489G, which stands for green, Laserguard for the MFG Sheild, and the MFG Sheild 2.0, a 9mm or 40 Smith & Wesson concealed carry pistol. The Laserguard is designed to fit the unique design of the pistol. It features the patented instinctive activation switch, meaning the laser is activated when the gun is held in its natural firing grip. The LG 489 and LG 489G also have fully adjustable windage and elevation and a 3-year warranty. Other products that you see on the workbench are Otis Technology AR-15 cleaning kit, Hornaday critical defense bullets, Alien Gear holster, the Botach carbon scraper for the AR-15, the Tyrant Designs extended mag release, Samson MFG Mag and mag extender, also MTM ammo can. I hope you enjoyed today's video. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and have a nice day.